What is up, everybody? Super excited to bring you my newest listing here at 12264 Crabapple Street, located in the Brandywine subdivision, just off of 120th and Lowell, technically Broomfield. Excellent neighborhood, quiet street, small cul-de-sac off the side here. Just an absolutely wonderful home. I can't wait to show you inside. As we continue to move through this market, it's very important that you seize the opportunity. This home is a great home, offered at $620,000. Super excited to show you what's inside, what the seller has done. They love the walkability of the neighborhood, the parks, the dog parks, access to Boulder, lots of outdoor activities here in the Broomfield area. So super excited to take you inside. Let's go check it out. much for joining me today. Jeremy Kane, eXp Realty. This home is actively listed at 620. You will find it in the MLS and all your real estate websites. If you have any questions, please shoot me a text, comment below, and we can chat. I would love to show you this home or any home you're interested in. This is absolutely not going to last. A great home with some thoughtful updates in a great area. Can't wait to see you again. Thanks for tuning in.